Alright, so here's what I got. It's all together. Wires are all run through correctly. Choke cable, throttle cable. And this is what I did. I kind of brought this back to life, repainted it, top and bottom. Go around, reupholstered the yellow carbon fiber pattern chin pad. Got the DESS underneath for the safety cutoff. Got a choke under here, and I also have a primer on the ski. Got the buttons installed for the variable trim system. Start stop is up here, and then the throttle be right here. So it used to be a thumb throttle, switched over to a finger throttle, and then here are the hand warmers. Hand warmers are coming out of the switch. Right there. Pretty trick. And also coming out to the UMI adapter. That's going to drop right on top, which is cool because your hand will be kind of open. It's hard to get an idea of it, but it'll spray right up into the inside. So, pretty pleased with that. Oh, and the other cool thing I did, just got some brand new mode button and brand new set button for the info center. So